That's interesting.
Alright, get away from me.
Get wiped, bro.
Oh no. Oh no.
What the fuck?
What were you
Not
saying?
allowed to have fun in that league.
Oh
Oh
yeah?
my god.
What in the fuck?
Carwat's been trying to wipe Adam for like the past 10 minutes. Adam spawns a monster truck and just runs over Carwat.
Wait, what? That was possible, man. You're not allowed to have fun without that. Okay. Alright.
Are we done here? Are we
Chill,
done
bro.
here?
Chill.
Are we done?
He's just destroying his base. He's
What
destroyed
the
everything.
fuck? You have this on keep place?
Yeah.
Alright, you gotta show me that initial like if you're showing up with a fucking monster truck.
Oh man. Okay, are we done now
Yo,
finally?
you want some ice cream, dude?
Yo, Adam, he has a second base up top. He's rebuilding.
I see
He's
it all.
literally rebuilding.
I see it all.
I'm just out here just spectating. I ain't doing anything.
You ready for these shift clicks, Garwalk?
Oh yeah.
Kill the students.
Oh, he's already here.
Kill everything, Adam.
Oh, I am.
Holy crap, you've done 10,000 damage to them. Or to one of them, Carwat.
How do I
Yeah. Next time you'll think twice.
Adam, he has one hiding.
I see everything. This one settler, I see it. I see it.
Carwat, get in my town center.
Chill!
I have samurai to try and stop him.
I see it. You think this is a game, Blue?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Adam, whoa!
Straight up monster truck.
I can't even try and attack them.
They just like have the craziest. I don't understand.
Yeah, their area damage is 6 and 11 speed. Resists is 0.9. God.